ka. Iba kung nauuna ka.
Sa pagbangon pa lamang, iba kung masaya.
Iba putaria.
Laban mapanad, mutyanin lalo sampat, nindayat manat, ake kami sakwak. Budning sultana, dinunaning manasya, temalenana, ningkapangat sinta, karing batis bundok, kakenan ululwit, urong dakal, bitas ang makalimbagan, iyang ketang katimawan, king bandera mong maningning, ate kutanda ring taksil, kapilan man e kulimlim, ing Aldo na ating batuin, laban ning Aldo sinta at kailangan, mayumindiling keke kamyen, yang ligayang kekeng panyangian, ikekagenan pa'y mate.
83.
This is Cable News Network, DZCN TV Channel 137, a commercial TV station owned and operated by Warner Brothers Discovery Incorporated under permit number BSD 1164-2027, operating until December 31st, 2028, operates with a power of 100 kilowatts, duly licensed by the National Telecommunications Commission, is located at Birchi, Palawas, Obando, Bulacan. This is CNN Channel 137 is now signing on.
This program is rated PG. It contains themes and scenes which may not be suitable for very young audiences. Parental guidance is advised.
Head on. Apply directly.
Head on. Apply directly to your forehead. Head on. Apply. Head on. I can't stand your commercial, but your product is amazing.
Head on is available without a prescription. New from the makers of Head On. Introducing Activon. Joint and muscle pain? Activon. Apply directly where it hurts. Activon Joint and Muscle. In stores now.